This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kathy Glass. This is the home you have been searching for. Fantastic family floor plan with tons of entertainment space on January 2nd acre located in highly sought after estates at Windermere. Upon first entry, the 12 ceilings of this open floor plan welcome you to this three-way split floor plan. The kitchen features double convection ovens, center island with microwave drawer, 5-burner cooktop, granite counters, wood cabinetry, walk-in pantry, breakfast bar and separate breakfast nook. The great room opens through to the Florida room/billiard room that features a wall of windows with poolside access, a dry bar and an ensuite bedroom. Entertaining poolside is a breeze with the attached under-roof cabana lanai complete with outdoor grill space and granite bar. This beautiful screened pavered pool lanai is complemented by 2 additional pavered sunning patios among a privately landscaped and fenced backyard. The indoor space of this wonderful home has everything you would want for everyday living and family entertainment. Complete with a formal dining room, home office, separate laundry room, tons of closets and storage space, and an upper-level bonus media/game room with half bath make this home perfect. Additional features are an oversized 3-car garage featuring new age storage units, a Rheem high-efficiency fiberglass water heater, Kohler 20 kW whole house generator, variable speed pool pump, in-wall pest treatment system, crown molding throughout, and stone facade. This is the perfect house to call home to enjoy the Florida lifestyle resort living. For more information, review the details below or contact Kathy Glass at 407-876-2090.